Hey everyone, welcome to the Angular Material Design course. Before we get started, make sure you have installed the latest Angular CLI. If there is no installation, you can visit Angular CLI website and follow the documentation. Once the installation is done, type ng new and the application name. Since we are not going to use Angular routing in our application, so no. You can select any CSS framework as you prefer, while I prefer SCSS. You can also visit Angular Material website and refer the documentation to get started. To install Angular Material in our application, go to the application folder and type the command ng add Angular Material. Select any base theme for application from the given list of Angular Material theme to get started. You can also create your own custom theme. Once the installation is done, type ng-serve to run your application. Angular CLI will compile your application and run the server. Once the compilation is done, open the browser and go to localhost 4200. You can check all these stuffs on how to create a component, add new module like material or progressive web app support, or how to build application for production. Let's remove all these junk codes and add our simple hello message. And yep, it works. So let's verify if our material framework is added successfully or not. Always keep the documentation open. It's really helpful and this is how you will learn. Let's add toolbar. So the component mat toolbar will add a new toolbar layout in our application. Great, let's do it. Let's give the application a name. Okay, now this won't work, alright. Always keep in mind, whenever you add a new material component, always import its module. So go to app.module file and import the mat toolbar module from Angular Material Toolbar package and add it in our application imports. So let's save all the files and there it is, the toolbar. It works. So let's change the color. Add the color property has primary. The primary color is based on the theme you have selected. Yeah, that's working. The primary color is based on the theme you have selected while installing Material Framework. You can also use accent color. Just refer the documentation. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Do me a favor by clicking a subscribe button and bell icon. See you in the next video.